Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an Expedia hotel booking. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a travel website where you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and airport transfers all together. It is user-friendly, convenient, and makes it simple to compare options to find the best prices. To cancel a hotel booking made through Expedia, the first step is to open the Expedia website on your computer browser. Once the site loads, make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to sign up and create one. After logging in, navigate to the top menu bar. Here you will see several options. From here, click on Trips. This section serves as your travel dashboard and contains a complete list of all your upcoming and past bookings. Now, click on the booking to open the full reservation details. Here, click on Bookings to find your booking. If the booking is eligible for cancellation, you will see a Cancel Reservation or Cancel Booking option clearly displayed on the page. Lastly, click this option and Expedia will guide you through the cancellation steps. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Expedia hotel booking. So, once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.